Hey guys, welcome back to another Streamline connector video. This is Santi and this is the last part of the V3.5 guide. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your back in stock workflow. I'm going to show you how it works and we'll be going over the steps needed to get it up and running. First, I'm going to show you how to set up the function steps. Then I'm going to show you the Klaviyo part of things, how to set your API key, how to connect your Shopify store to Klaviyo, and lastly, creating the flow where the users will subscribe and will get notified as well. So without further ado, let's dive in. Here, what this workflow requires is the product, an email, and specifically not the product but the variant. So what we do is ask for a product if we don't know it already. Remember that, for example, this intent can be triggered saying, for example, any idea when some product will be back in stock. So if the user triggers one of these, the product will automatically be collected. Then we ask for the email and we start checking the variant. So this is the first step. You need to input your shop ID. So if in case you missed the previous video, in order to get your shop ID, head over to the Streamline connector dashboard, go to your agent, manage data, click on the send button, and any of the endpoints will do. For example, orders endpoint, and here we have our shop ID. Let's copy that and paste it here, which I already did, but yeah, there we go. So with this function, we retrieve all the variants for a specific product, and we offer by this step the user to the variants that that product has, and based on the user's choice, we pass the variant ID to this function. So lastly, what you will need to do is create an API key and paste it here. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So we go to settings, API keys, and see, for example, I created this one while I was testing, but let's delete that and create a new one. So let's give it a name, could be back in stock. And you will need to set catalogs to read and write as well as profiles. Also, you can go ahead and set list as read and write as well in order to make available the other workflow, which is email signups, which allows you to create and add a profile to a certain list. So let's create the API key. Here I have my API key. Please keep in mind that this is the only time that you will be seeing it completely. After this, you will only get the 4 last digits if I'm correct. So let's copy that. Remember to not share it and paste it there. So that is our API key. Lastly, what we need to do is, in case you did not connect it, go to integrations. So we'll be adding Shopify as an integration. This allows Klaviyo to know when you are, for example, in this case, the inventory quantity. Go ahead and And that's how you connect your Klaviyo account to your Shopify store. It will take some time to sync, and that is it. I'm waiting. Okay, now it's been connected. So let's head over to flows and create a new flow. Let's search back in stock. It already comes prepared, so you don't need to do anything at all. Use template, and the flow is good to go. For example, you can check here how it looks. This will have your product image, and it will show the price and the name of the product and else. You can customize it as you want, but out of the box it works just fine. So let's hit exit, and that is it. With that, the flow is completed, and now the users will know when a product is restocked. I hope you like it, and please feel free to reach out in case you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.